this video, we're going to be replacing a broken sun visor clip in this Honda. This is a fit, but it applies to basically every Honda. So these things look like this, and if you look on the other side of them, you're going to see there's a little divot right here. This is where you can shove a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to be depressing this little tab on the back side of it. And then when you do that, you will be able to rotate this guy. You can rotate it either to the left or the right, but you do it 90 degrees, and then that will let you slip this thing down. And so I've already loosened this guy, but I've got a flathead right here. I'm basically just gonna press it right up behind there. So I'm gonna move this guy out of the way. You just put this guy right in there, and then you can rotate this. You get that clip out. Side just drops right out. And then you take your new guy, put this guy in there like that, and then you rotate it, and that is how easy it is to put in a new one. And now you have a sun visor clip that can actually hold your sun visor. So that is how easy these things are to replace. And we'll get this guy shoved in there, and there you go.